So we're over here at the sink. We have our little figurine in, our glitter, and our clay, and I've put the top on, making sure that it is totally sealed. And it's now time to put the water in. So what you're going to do is remove the little plug and make sure that there's no clay clogging up the hole. And I'm using this tool to do that. And so now you can put your funnel in, and you're going to have just a small stream of water going into your funnel. And you're going to want to lift your funnel up just a bit in order to let air flow through it, because if you don't let air flow through it and you put water in it, it'll just overflow with the water. So I'm going to start the water and then just lift the funnel up a little bit, and there we go. So it is filling up our water globe nicely. You can see down here. Now if you do find yourself having the water like clog up and overflow, just use the tool and clear out the air bubble. You'll probably have an air bubble, and that's usually why the water overflows. So just use your tool and clear out the air bubble, or blow in it to get rid of the air bubble, and then put your funnel in, hold it up a little bit, and just fill it with this small stream of water. And I think we're full. So I'm gonna just dump out the rest of the water, and you just put your plug back in, and you can just dry off the bottom of your globe. And voila! Oop. Your water globe is all filled.